It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Wednesday, the 8th of March. I'm James Spann. Very nice weather today and tomorrow. Then a chance of showers Friday and a pretty good soaking rain event at some point over the weekend. And maybe snow just north of Alabama with that. Yeah, it's March. Anything goes. Let's go in there and check it out. Troughing over the eastern states. That brought that cold front that brought some really beneficial rain to the state yesterday. Hardly any reports of severe weather. And rain amounts for most were in the 1 to 2 inch range. Early this morning, pretty chilly up north, 36 for Cullman and Haleyville. Birmingham at 44, but we warm up nicely. We'll expect a high around 70 today. But look at the cold air over Canada. They've set some record lows over parts of Alaska and the Yukon, and that's dropping south. And again, that's going to help set the stage for a mid-March snow event this weekend north of Alabama for states like Kentucky, Missouri, and maybe down into Tennessee. And we'll feel that colder air by Sunday and Monday. There's the watch warning map. Relatively quiet, windy around the Great Lakes. Got red flag warnings again with a wildfire danger across parts of the heartland, but down here things are calm. No severe weather expected today, maybe some thunder for the Rio Grande Valley of Texas. Tomorrow, a marginal severe weather risk for parts of Missouri, Arkansas, some of the adjacent states. And then on day 3, which is Friday, no severe weather expected, but there could be some thunder here across the deep south with a cold front coming in from the north. And the rain for the next 7 days, valid through Wednesday morning of next week. Another good rain event coming up this weekend with rain amounts of at least 1 inch likely. All right, model fans, here we go. The GFS, the 06C run, valid today at noon. A zonal flow and a dry air mass. A sunny day with a high around 70 this afternoon. Very nice. Now, tomorrow we start the day in the 30s in some spots, but we warm up nicely. We'll be in the mid-70s tomorrow afternoon. Again, a good supply of sunshine, so very nice today and tomorrow. Now, Friday, there's a 1050 millibar high. That's that really cold air over Canada nosing in with a cold front coming in. And that could bring some rain. This is Friday morning at 6 o'clock. In advance of that front, there could be a few showers, and I guess maybe even some thunder. There's no chance of any severe weather with that feature. And then by noon on Friday, the surface front is down to the central part of the state. And any showers at that point should be kind of hard to find. But cloudy, a mostly cloudy day with a chance of showers Friday, especially Friday morning. And the front's going to be moving, kind of meandering northward as a warm front Friday night. And this is Saturday. We have the next wave to the west, and you can see snow for parts of Missouri and Kansas. Rain breaks out west of the state. The timing of the rain, I think Saturday morning will be dry for sure. But rain will likely move in here by mid to late afternoon. And then Saturday night, just a soaking rain for the state as a trough comes through. And again, with the low position of that, the low latitude position, we don't expect any severe weather, just basically a cool rain. The high Saturday would be around 60. Some spots stay in the 50s all day. And yeah, let's kind of take a closer look. North of here, this is suggesting snow falling Saturday night over pretty good chunk of Tennessee here. Certainly down to Nashville, over to Knoxville. How about that? They might see some accumulating snow down into Tennessee. But again, for us, Saturday night, just a cool rain. And there's no instability for where we are. Maybe a smidgen down around Mobile. But again, severe weather should not be a problem. This is Sunday morning at 6 o'clock. We've still got rain falling here. Looks like the, we might have to leave in the chance of rain into Sunday morning. Snow continues, if this verifies, over much of North Carolina and parts of Virginia. And then noon Sunday, rain is confined to South Alabama. And I don't know if we see any sun Sunday. Looks like kind of a cloudy and kind of a cold day. We might have a hard time getting out of the 40s if this is right. In terms of the snow accumulation north of the state, this is off the GFS. And these numbers are probably a smidgen too high, but still, that's painting a nice swath of snow from southern Missouri down into Kentucky, northern Tennessee, and North Carolina. And this is the European. It's pretty similar. And again, I don't think Nashville gets 4 inches, but they might get a little bit, enough to get some snow on the ground. So how about that for a mid-March snow? We'll go to Monday. We are cool and dry. We'll be pretty far down in the 30s Monday morning. And the high Monday will be in the 50s. And we note another cold high dropping down from the north across the Dakotas. And then Tuesday, look what happens. Another storm forms north and east of the state. More cold air blows in. And that's suggesting we might even see some snow flurries over North Alabama Tuesday. And needless to say, we're not going to mention that now. And even if that verifies, that wouldn't amount to anything. But still looks kind of cold and windy. And then Wednesday of next week, troughing over the east. And we are cool and dry. And at some point next week, I'm sure we'll probably hit a morning or two with temperatures below freezing. It is still way too early to plan anything that would be harmed by a freeze. Here's the end of the forecast period. This is the end of next week, Friday the 17th. Ridgy building west of the state, that just looks cool and dry. Numbers off the European, you can see the cool down. And really over the weekend, it's got a high Saturday of only 57. Sunday, the high drops to 55. And notice those lows in the 30s. And again, I do think on a morning or two, we could easily see a late season freeze in there. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or on TV, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and God bless.